Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the sum of the sequence 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus 16? Here, given sequence is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus 16. We can observe the sequence is the addition of even terms from 2 to 16. So, total number of terms available are 16 by 2, that is 8 terms, and addition of n even consecutive terms is given by n into n plus 1, that is 8 into 8 plus 1, which is 8 into 9 means 72. Hence, sum of the sequence 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on plus 16 is 72.